3 awesome tools to improve your colored pencil portraits. These tools will make fur look even more realistic than ever before. To start out with, this method here is actually really fun and it works great for lighter fur such as white or blonde fur. An electric eraser. This bad boy erases a little bit of the color pencil that you just put down, and it creates these beautiful effects such as little stray hairs, or to erase to create a little bit more of a highlight in these lighter furred animals. All you have to do is push the button down and it spins that little eraser, and it really helps to create some of this texture that you can see here, especially with the lighter hair. You can change the eraser to a wider one or a thinner one like this so that you can add more detail or erase bigger spots. Another great tool that you can use, which I will link below, is a slice tool. This is fantastic for etching away detail in the highlighted parts or creating strands of hair. The trick to getting this utensil to work is to build up enough layers so that you have a nice waxy coating already, and then you can etch away just like this example here. Another great tool to use is this amazing odorless mineral spirits. All you need is a paintbrush to apply. And as you start to apply it, you'll see that it starts to smooth and blend out some of those layers that you've already created. Now, a trick to this is make sure you have a couple of layers down first, and then you can use this brush with the mineral spirits to apply and blend it a little bit more together so that when you start to apply more colors on top, it creates a little bit more of a smoother texture so that the tooth of the paper does not show through nearly as much and it doesn't look nearly as sketchy. You will want to apply enough layers using quite a few different mid-tone colors and then a little bit of some darker colors to darken it up. Then you can use a lighter colored pencil in the highlighted areas to smooth it all out. And then once you've completed this part, the next trick is to use that slice tool. Be careful when you're using the slice tool. You do not want to etch away too much or your portrait will look too scratchy or too scraggly looking. So when applying it, apply it in the highlighted areas and then outside of the highlighted areas just a tiny bit so that it looks like there is some scraggly, some little extra strands of hair that are just coming out. Once that is complete, you will see a huge difference between a regular portrait and portraits with extra tools. As a better example, watch this whole time lapse to see the exact methods that I used to apply those two tools together. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and check out the link below if you want to learn to draw your own pet, where it's an 8-week full-on program where it's very in-depth and you get to learn to draw all sorts of different animal features such as eyes, ears, nose, and different types of fur. But check that out in the link below. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.